very welcome to the very first event of WISPMandu. We call this event WISPMandu because we are conducting this event in Kathmandu, and we want to talk about WISPs. And you know what is WISP? Wireless Internet Service Provider. So we mostly want to talk about products, services, and case studies about providing services. So, very welcome again. We are excited to have you around here. This event has been conducted with the cooperation of 3 companies actually. Our company, which is MITSCo from Turkey.
Hello.
I will talk a bit later about MITSCo. About the LABA, which is the biggest IT training center in Nepal, and also the Network Store, the biggest distributor of MITSCo, Ubiquity and Kathmandu products. About myself, my name is Mani. Actually, my name is Mani. But you know, Americans call me Manny, and the funny thing is, in my language, Manny means a sperm. So they call me sperm. Anyway, my name is Mani from MITSCo. I'm MITSCo, Ubiquity and Kathmandu certified trainer, and I'm MITSCo technical manager. I'm the CTO of the company. The company headquarters is located in Turkey, and we mostly conduct training in different countries. These are training sessions in Nepal, in LABA Institute. We try to have this kind of training, full sessions training about marketing Ubiquity Kathmandu, minimum 2 times a year. So we just gather engineers from different companies. We talk about technologies, products. We have some hands-on labs as well. But let me just first talk a bit more about MITSCo. MITSCo headquarters is in Turkey. We are active in more than 15 countries in Africa, Europe, and Middle East. Also some other countries in your area, in Pacific, like in Nepal and Philippines. And MITSCo is full stack consultancy company. We offer support, services, installation, and consultancy. The biggest service that we offer basically is the network design and link planning. We plan the networks, we design their networks, topologies, and so on. So when I say full stack consultancy, means we support you from A to Z, all the way from your topology design, network design, infrastructure, up to the installation, support, and you know that the monitoring is one of the most important steps after installation. Network and link planning, we design wireless networks because, as you may know, to have successful wireless network, you need to have a well planning. Planning is the crucial part. Before any installation, you need to do planning. If you just go to installation without any site survey or wireless planning, you know it may take days. But if you have very well planning, site survey, link budget calculation, and some other calculations we will talk about, then your installation is just a second. I mean, because you know how much signal strength you need, you know how much distance you have, how much bandwidth you need. So the installation would be a piece of cake. That's why design and planning is the most important step. Also product selection, because if you see that table, Network Store offers the wide range of products, then you may be a bit confused which one is good for what type of scenarios. So product selection is also the important step, because you need to know which product is the most useful one for what type of scenario. And you know, there are multiple brands. Marketing Ubiquity Kathmandu, there are still 3 different brands with 3 different technologies and features. So product selection is also the crucial step. As I said, training is one of our big services. We offer training in many countries. I've had training in more than 25 countries. My students were from more than 50 countries, and Nepal is one of the successful countries for us because we regularly run these trainings minimum twice a year or 3 times a year. And you know the passion of engineering in this country, so training is one of the successful way to achieve your goals. And there are many network engineers in this country, all the way from Microsoft, Cisco, and we have very good security genius guys here. So this country has enough capacity for training as well. And you know the training is the way to success, because in this business, there are 2 things important: the knowledge and the experience. Training will give you the enough knowledge, and experience is all about your projects. When you're getting through the projects, then you'll be more experienced. So by combining these 2, which is the knowledge and experience, that's the way to success. And definitely you may need our support, because sometimes you may have some problems, you need to have some troubleshooting. So 24/7 support is one of another big services that we offer already. We support our customers, our students, our projects, our friends, our partners, 24/7. We try to be 24/7 in different countries. We offer services per hour, per week, per month, per year, annually, depends on the contract. You can get our support. Normally people prefer to have hourly support because remotely through the internet we support them. It means physically you set up everything. Also you do your configuration. If there was any problem, there was any attack or major issues, in case of any emergency, you can just leave the support to us. So the support for us consists of 2 parts: online support and on-site support. And we mostly do online support. In this service, when I say 24/7, I mean the time difference is nothing. We have handled the time differences. Even in the middle of the night, we had this situation before because this is kind of emergency things. Even in the middle of the night, if there was any problem, attack or major issues, sometimes we inform you if you're in support contract with you, because we monitor your network, and in case of any problems, we can just inform you. Also, software development is another service that we offer. You know that 21st century is the century of integration. Now it's the time for integration. There are many applications, different softwares, cloud-based, on-premises, but an organization may have different applications, but they want to integrate them all. They want to use them all at the same time. You may not like to export your data from one of them and import to another one. So API development is very important at the moment because there are many applications and you need to just have integration between. So we do software development as well. If you had any questions or if you just wanted to talk with me, feel free to contact us. You can just drop a mail, or our online chat through our website is always online. Our supporters, online supporters, can help you, and also they can redirect you to me if needed. I've put my cards there, my contact details. Also, if you see your invitations, at the back of your invitation, there is the solution-based approach. If you had any questions, or if you needed to make a meeting with us, with either of us, either myself, or LABA or Network Store, you can just fill out the back of your invitation, put your name, your company name and contact details. Our guys will contact you and set up the meeting schedule. You're welcome to just join us either in LABA office or Network Store office, and we can have a fruitful meeting. Now I would like to invite Sachin Ji from LABA to have introduction of the LABA company. Then we will have Sagar Ji from Network Store. Then after those introductions, then I'll come back again and talk about different agenda. Thank you very much.